and welcome back to another episode of Lesbi Cooking. My girlfriend made me put a bra on and another shirt on. Change my shirt before we cook. Anyway, I just got some chicken legs and I deboned them. Cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Got a few cloves of garlic. I love garlic, so we're gonna use a lot of garlic. If you don't have fresh garlic, you can use garlic powder. And then we're just gonna cook them with some asparagus. So I already washed them. Several ways of preparing the asparagus. Some people just kind of like to bend upwards until it kind of snaps, and that's where it's at. Some people actually they take a peeler and they peel the bottom of it, the part that's hard, like that. But we're just gonna grab the bunch and cut about an inch off of it. Everything else should be fine. You can cut it any way you want. I like to make it pretty, so I cut on a bias, like so. Again, obviously just chicken stir-fried with garlic. You can use any vegetable. You can put onions, you can put zucchini, eggplant, carrot, whatever you want. But our friend Tori was nice enough to go grocery shopping for us while we self-quarantine. Again, we don't have the virus. We have volunteered to self-quarantine upon our return from the States. Well, the continent.
Out of consideration
for others in our kupunas and our families and friends.
Rice is done.
The rice is done this time, thank goodness. So again, you can use as much asparagus as you want. You can use whatever vegetables that you want. Again, we're just using asparagus. So we have our pan on 8. I guess it's a little over medium high. Again, we don't have gas stove, so as you put ingredients in, it's gonna lower the temperature of it. So I like garlic. I'm just gonna go ahead and smash it. You can press it, you can grate it, you can add as much garlic as you want. We like garlic, and you just kind of rough chop it. Don't have to be fancy about it. Like that. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of oil. Whatever oil you got. We have olive oil on hand, so we just add a little bit of olive oil. The pan is hot when it's kind of dancing around, so just give it a little shake. Add our chicken in. Hear that sizzle. Be careful.
A great tip. Don't stand chicken.
Okay, you can season it with some salt. We ran out of table salt, so I'll go ahead and use some sea salt. Again, you want to season as you go. Don't over season. You can always add seasoning to that. Okay, let's go ahead and fry that up until it's nice and brown. Okay, so at this point, the chicken is pretty much cooked through. If you don't know, just take out a piece and cut it. Forgot to put the garlic in, so we'll put it in now. But you want to cook that when you throw the chicken in. We'll go ahead and throw in the asparagus. This is going to be quick. The asparagus is going to take too long to cook. So pour it in. Mix it up.
Look at that color.
We just wait for the asparagus to cook down and become tender. As it cooks, you'll see that the asparagus gets a little darker. You can kind of test it, try a piece. If you like me, I like it crunchy. I also like my stir fry with a little bit of gravy, so I'm going to add just a little bit of water. have a little bit of gravy. And then go ahead and make a little slurry.
So
just
that is
cornstarch and water. You can use, potato starch, cornstarch, not flour though. Okay. So while it's on high, I'm gonna go ahead and just pour it and stir it, and then it'll thicken the liquid, which kind of just basically gives it a little gravy. So just pour your rice. You're gonna need a little bit. Okay, and then just taste again. If you need more salt, add more salt, pepper, but it's on point. And there you have it, chicken and asparagus.